you know, your guys are pretty good friends. Your thoughts on what has occurred with him?
Had a slight incident when he was playing his semis. The rain fell and the lines were wet. He went for a ball and he slipped and I think he basically strained or pulled him grind. So he started off well, went up 3-love. Started climbing back, went 3-all. In the fourth, well, I guess the 7th game playing, I retired. Unfortunate because it was going to be a good match.
Your thoughts really about how you've been playing? Because people have been noticing that what you're playing really. Could it be Ochi?
No, I mean, it could be Ochi, yes, because the courts had to really adjust, find back my mental strength in actually playing some tennis.
Right.
Finally recovering from the injuries from last year.
Right.
So, feeling decent. Not 100, but getting there.
And you feel like Nicholas Strong will definitely be a force to be reckoned with for the rest of the series?
For sure.
So it happened when I think I was 3-1 up. We had a good rally going, and he hit a good drop shot, and I went for it, and I just ended up aggravating it. So I was just like, yeah.
You did trying to prevent any further damage.
Yeah, I have a tournament next week, so I was just like, let me try hold out, wait till next week. Hopefully everything will be better by then.
And if it's not, you probably will be seeking
medical. I'll be out of it. Won't continue.
Yep.
That is it.
First time we played together, so we're kind of finding each other's game, and we really got it together in the first set. Then the second set, I have to give it up to my opponents. They brought the fight. They changed their strategy, they tried different things, and it was just like one point after the next, break after break. It was tough. It was mentally draining and physically draining.
But Kobe, you are serving well.
Oh.
Yeah, you're serving big.
I just been practicing. I feel like that's a good weapon to have, is a strong serve. You know, I have to thank my coach and everyone like at the club, Nikki, for like helping me improve on my serves and stuff like that. Because I come in from far with them, so I couldn't lose it. So I had to go with that band.
Is this a long and lasting team? Are you going to be seeing you together?
I mean, it's something that we have to practice a lot more together, and work on the errors that we made and some of our weaknesses. But I really feel good about this team. It's very strong.
You had it in your hands. What do you think made the difference down the stretch?
I think it was inches. The crucial points, they won it. We started slow. I think we had the tactics wrong, but we came back in the second set, regrouped. Push them to the limit. We won the tiebreak to beat a super tiebreak. I don't think we could have given much more than what we did with us. They deserved it.
Phaedra?
Yes, I think that we fought well. We fought down to the last points. We lost the first set 6-love, but we still had belief that we could win. Unfortunately, we didn't, but it was a very well fought match, and hope we meet them again.
Class.
think for the last year I've been underperforming, not giving my best in tournaments, and this time around I just decided that I would go out there and I would just play hard. I know what I'm capable of doing, and I think this tournament was the closest I've been to that in the last 12 months.
I had the goal of winning today. At the tournament I wanted one NCB this year. I can't take that off. It was challenging, but I'm happy in the end we came through with it. But it was rough.
And what you felt about, technically, what you think you did better this tournament?
More consistency. Definitely getting balls back, and just kind of not necessarily waiting on errors, but executing my game and not playing somebody else's game.
For someone who's been away from the game, you were one of our top juniors years ago, but now you're in the mix and you're making your presence being felt in amateur tournaments. I mean, you see yourself continuing through all these events?
Well, yes, I'm proud of myself for getting this far, being the winner of the women's singles and run up in the doubles, and there's so much more in me, so I think I will continue to play.
We had one complete day of rain out, but with the staff that we have helped to organize these events, we're able to figure out things and make it happen. So the event was originally scheduled to finish yesterday, but we managed to have a wonderful finals today, lovely turnout, and we saw some fantastic tennis. One of the things about this event is that all the winners in every category was a new winner, and that is always good to see.